working on some my door hinge pins and bushings. As you can see, my door ain't really closed good. It's real loud. Try to close it. See that? It's not catching it, right? I literally gotta slam it for it to close all the way. It's annoying. But we're gonna try to fix that. Probably can't see the hinges from, well, you can see it. Just trying to show you where the bushings are messed up at. It's hard to see. But anyway, this is the pin, then the bushing is down in there. I'll try to get it where y'all can see how loose it is and everything. I got my bushings and pins over here. Where are they? Somebody getting it in out there. I don't know if y'all can hear the motorcycles. I'm trying to find my bushing and pin sets. Just had them. Oh, well, probably another video though. Got these tail light lenses that I'm working on. I started on this one already. I already took it out of the housing. And I mean, this still looks bad, but I started on it. But when you put it up against the one that I hadn't touched yet, there is pretty good bit of difference there. But we're gonna keep working on these. Yeah, so now you can see where that bushing goes right here. It's supposed to be tight. As you can see, it's not. Like you can see right in there. It's supposed to be tight up on that pin. See that? And then the bottom here, look at that. There ain't even no bushing in the bottom. Nothing's there to hold that. So when you move the door, it shouldn't go, it shouldn't do that. That's because these bushings are missing. Like I said, the bottom one is missing. Yeah, it's missing. The top one is there, but it just sucks. And I know I suck as a cameraman too, but you know, it's all right. Y'all bear with me. Look at that. Bushing all ate up. And this one is gone. Non-existent. So, I'll see about getting this fixed here. Oh, got the doors, well, the door off, the driver's side door. Trying to do these pin and bushings, man. Didn't get it on video, but I put this top bushing in already. The bottom one, I just got it seated there. Not in yet, but I'm gonna tap it in, and we're gonna go from there. It's my first time doing this. First time taking a door off at all. But we're gonna get there. I had to cut these old pins off. Bushings was all ate up. So we got new pins and bushings. Just a new pin right here. Man, it's a lot of work. This hinge is still on, so I gotta put the bushings in this side. So these holes are bigger. That's where the bushings go at. It's like these holes right here are bigger than the holes on here. So your bushings go in the bigger holes. Yeah. Getting her done. Getting her done. Got my help over here. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, the help won the championship, the middle school football game last night. Number 2, QB1, quarterback. My other son, number 11. Okay. Yes, sir. A good trait, because I'll be all over the place. Yes, sir! Come on, man! One here. Put it in. So I'm gonna try maybe just tapping this one with the hammer like I did the top one here. But let me try to line it up good. That looks a whole lot better. Almost there. Showing y'all where I actually got the hole cut all the way through the pin. So, you know, just showing y'all that it's cut all the way through here. I had a little music playing in the background, so I had to get it out. Proper tools are essential. I didn't have the proper tools here, but you know, I did what I could. But I went and got me a chisel set and also a punch set. And I don't have that on video, but I got the rest of those pins and bushings out with that. It worked wonders. I'm just saying, like, correct tools, man, correct tools. Always told to work smarter, not harder, but as y'all can see throughout this video, I definitely worked harder and not smarter. But you know, we live and we learn. Yep. That's it. Rusty motherfucker. And check out the bushing. And then this bushing here. We're gonna knock them bushings out real quick. Old ones. That's that one. Tell you, this side was actually a lot better than the other side as far as the bushings went. And you can tell because my doors closed a lot better on this side, but it still wasn't good enough for my liking. So now we still got these down here. I got the top part out, but I'm trying to get this bottom part out. I done soaked it in some PB Blaster. It done got late and it's a school night, so we might have to come back to this tomorrow. Let's see if I can get this bushing out. It's all ate up. And I might have to wait till I got more room. Oh, there it go. She out of there. And we just got to get this bottom piece out and this bushing, and we can reinstall and put it back together. She closed. Let's go.